Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Barney from Pallet. Well, first of all, happy New Year's 2024, and I am in sunny beach, not California, but Puerto Rico, and I'm sharing this video. I'm making this quick video to basically let you guys know that everything is possible, right? So a few years ago, I started a company selling pallets to manufacturers and stuff like that. And this is what I want to talk to you about. I bought a course, learned the business, and now it allowed me to do this. So I want to share this with you. Maybe if you're interested, you can contact me for more information about how to either create a side hustle or side hustle turn into business, because it will allow you to do this as well. So yeah, so this is 2024. And if you want to reach me, you can reach me at 410-858-5565 if you're interested to get on our waiting list for the course that is coming out this month, January. Okay, so if you like this video, comment below, say interested, or just inbox me or text me at 410-858-5565. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. Happy prosperous New Year. And I look forward to talking to you. I look forward to meeting you guys that are going to be my new students. All right, thank you very much. Take care. Have a good day. Bye, and God bless. Bye.